Now you know that what is a one-to-one function, what is an on-to function. Now there is another name for one-to-one function, that is injective. A function is said to be injective function if it is one-to-one. So what do you mean by a one-to-one function first? What is a one-to-one function? Different elements will go to different images. See, different element. This is a one-to-one function. A goes to 1, B to 2, C goes to 3. So different elements goes to different images. That is called as a one-to-one function. What is an on-to function? On-to function is when the range is equal to the codomain. The codomain is equal to the range, then the function is on-to. So a function is one-to-one if different elements have different images. A function is on-to when the codomain is equal to the range. So on-to function is also called as surjective function. Now if a function is one-to-one and on-to, that is if a function is injective and surjective, then it is called as bijective function. It is called as a bijective function. So what is a bijective function? If a function is injective and surjective. If a function is one-to-one and on-to, it is called as bijective function. If a function is bijective, then its inverse, if a function f is bijective, if a function f is bijective, then its inverse exists. F inverse exists. So if you have to find the inverse of a function, then the function should be bijective. You cannot find the inverse of all the functions. You can find the inverse only if it is a bijective function. What do you mean by inverse? If you multiply 4, its inverse is 1 by 4. So when you multiply, what do you get? 1. Identity you will get. Suppose if I take 5, its inverse is 1 by 5. When I multiply, I will get 1. The same way here in functions also, you have addition, multiplication. You can add two functions, you can multiply two functions, you can subtract, you can divide, and there is also another operation in function that is called as composition of functions. There is another operation that is called composition. We will be learning that in detail. Composition of functions. Add two functions, that is f plus g. Subtraction is f minus g. If f and g are two functions, addition is f plus g. Subtraction is f minus g. Multiplication is f into g. Okay, or you can put bracket. Division is f by. Now composition of function is a new operation. It is f of g. Oh, this is a circle, small circle we have to put. F of g. Similarly, you can write g of f if the function f is one-to-one and onto, then function is invertible. Invertible means you can find the inverse. A function is one-to-one and onto, then the function is invertible. Invertible meaning is nothing, it is you can find the inverse. So if it is one-to-one and onto, f of f inverse will be always equal to, see here we just saw 5 into 1 by 5 is 1, identity. And also f inverse composition f is also equal to. So this you will be learning how to find the composition of functions, and you should know that we can find the inverse if the function is one-to-one and onto, and also you should know f of f inverse. You read it like this: f of f inverse of f will give you identity. What function is this? It is onto, because the codomain is equal to the range. It is one-to-one also, one-to-one and onto. It is bijective. It is bijective. It is one-to-one and onto, so it is bijective. It is also identity. Just now you learned about identity. Function goes to A, B goes to B, C goes to C. So it is identity also. Identity function. It is one-to-one, onto. It is a bijective. That means it is invertible. You can find the inverse of the function. That is called, if a function is one-to-one and onto, then you can find the inverse. How to find the inverse, you are going to learn. Just you should know now, a function is invertible means you can find the inverse. What is this function? many to one constant goes to one particular constant. Is it onto? It is into function. It is an into function. Into means the range is not equal to the codomain. Range is not equal to the codomain. Here the range and codomain are equal. Here you can see the codomain is x, y, z. What is a codomain? The set y. Codomain is a set y. What is the range? The images. The images means only one. So y. They are not equal. If they are not equal, it's not an onto. That means it's an into function.